All right, what's going on, everybody? It's the Fly Fishing Ninja, and welcome to the Life of a Fly Fisherman. So I did that video the other day about the drone I got. I'm not gonna badmouth the company, but the drone was great itself. It handled really well, but the camera, no good. So I sent it back and I ordered another one. So we're gonna check this one out now. I think the camera should be a little better. I don't know. But we're gonna check this one out. I think it's gonna be too windy to fly it today, but you know, we can at least get it out of the box. All right, and it's from Holy Stone or Holy Stone, I would assume. It's for ages 14 and up, so that's good for me. All right, let's at least open the box, see what we got. All right, the plastic off here. So this is the drone. It's not super big, but the camera, and here's the thing about the camera, it's just fixed to it. You can't adjust the camera, which, you know, it's okay. You know, what can you do? You got your phone mount. You got, let's see what else does it come with here. You got your remote. Here's that. It takes 4 AA batteries, which I didn't have those, so I had to go get some. Blade protectors, I guess you would call them. Landing gear, which is cool. It's already got landing gear on it, so it comes with extra. So that's pretty awesome. Extra propellers in here, and a charging cable. Something else underneath. Always look underneath, apparently. You have your instructions for use, and I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what this is here. Oh, it's like a book. Like, I don't know. It's got like a little pad here. Sticky notes and a pen. That's interesting. One thing about this is the app for it is supposed to be better. So we're gonna check this thing out, see if it's charged. You got your battery right here. Battery just goes in the back, and then you plug in to the drone to charge it. And it's just a USB cable. So we're gonna charge this thing up and see what happens. All right, so it was a little bit windy, but we still got the drone out there. The camera to me looks pretty good. It seems pretty clear. It's not all choppy. It was a little windy, so it was kind of hard to control it because it's so light, but I was still able to do it. It pairs up really nice. I'm really happy with it. The first flight went really awesome. It doesn't seem blurry. Like I said, there's no choppiness in the video. And there's another thing that I noticed. It also comes with a 4 GB SD card. So super cool. Tried to get a little close to me. Got a little too close, as you could see, and crashed it into the house. All right, well, I have to say, I am extremely happy with that. I want to thank everybody so much for watching. If you're interested in buying this drone, since I do like it, and yes, it was the first time I've flown it, so hopefully it's reliable and it stays working. But if you're interested in it, I will put a link in the description to the Amazon listing for it. I want to thank everybody so much. Fly Fishing Ninja out.